Hello everyone. So today we are solving another user 2021 question. This is part B question, section 2, multiple select question type, and this is question number 23. So let's start with reading the question first. So let's read the question. So it is given letters of the alphabet of a font are shown below. The sign letters H, A and B illustrate how some of them can be folded once to form new shapes. They may be further transformed by rotation. Which of the black shapes given in the options have been folded once and rotated? So these are the sign illustrations, sign color illustrations that they have given for H, A and B. Okay, and they have told that it can be folded in any of these three forms. Either can be cut into a diagonal, can be folded through a diagonal, or can be cut to the center part and or the other horizontal center part. Okay, any three ways it can be cut. And they have given this is the font that they are using over here, and they have given these options over here to us so that it could be easy for us to find out whichever is correct. So let's start with solving the question. So the first thing we'll do, again we'll start analyzing this sign figures so that it is easy for us to understand. Okay, so let's do that first. So basically this question is all about visualization, so let's start visualizing it. So over here they have given that this is H, A and B. So let's start with H. So if we cut the H from between, then we can fold it, join the diagonal ends of it and make a figure like this. So for understanding, I have just cut down the H figure and I'll be folding it to demonstrate how they have done the folding part. So if this is an H, okay, and they have cut in the diagonal over here, so they have folded it like this. So basically this is the similar figure that they have got for H. Okay, now they have told that in the options, in the answers that they have given, they have also folded it, transformed it. Maybe if it is like this, they may just rotate it by 90 degrees, 180 degrees, anything which will be feasible for them to confuse the options. Okay, and for A, what they have done, they have taken A, cut down it in the center line and then folded both the end points together. Okay, so for that also I'll just demonstrate. So if this is an A, okay, so what they have done, they have taken this A, cut down from the middle part, so and then they have folded it, folded the one side behind. So if we just fold it behind, then we'll get some option like this. Okay, for A, and similarly for B also they have done for the vertical line. So that I am not doing right now because I guess these two first demonstrations would be enough to understand. So now let's start with analyzing the options. Let's do that. So now I've done the option analyzing also over here. All the four options I have analyzed. Okay, so now I'll not demonstrate like the H and A what I did, but I'll tell you what cut they have made out of these three and then how they have tried to fold it and then whether it has been rotated or not. So for option 1, they have taken an X. Any figure if you see over here, does it matches this thing? Only an X matches if X is cut from between and this part is folded with corresponding sides. Okay, then we can form this sort of figure. So if this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then 1 meets 2, 1 is folded towards 2 and 4 is folded towards 3, so we can form this sort of figure. But over here they have not rotated it in the final option. This is the final option that they have given, but they have not rotated it. So when they have not rotated it, we'll just mark it as wrong, because since they have given here black shapes have been folded once and rotated. So folded once, it has been folded once but not rotated, so definitely this is wrong. For this one, case 2, let's take an O over here. Okay, if we take an O, cut it similarly as what they have done in B from the center line. Let's cut it from the center line and then fold both the ends. Okay, fold both the ends. So 1 is folded towards 2, so 1 is folded towards 2 means this will go back behind this. When that is done, so we get this sort of figure. Okay, now when we rotate it through 90 degrees, so if this is the axis, so and rotate 90 degrees means this will come to 90 degree over here and this will come to 90 degree over here. So we'll get this figure. So that is what the final option is. So case 2 will be correct. Now for case 3, they have taken an U, okay, cut it like an A, what they have demonstrated an A, again from the center line, and folded 1 and 2, folded 1 towards 2, so 2 remains on its place and 1 is folded towards 2. So when they do this, they will get a figure like this, and when they rotate it by 180 degrees, they can finally get the final option what they have got over here. So definitely this is also correct. For case 4, they have taken an Z, folded it similarly as what they have done for an H, like folding it through and diagonal, okay, and then both the arrows, like I'll mark arrows over here, so both the sides marked with an arrows. So these two arrows, they have tried to align in the same direction. So if you turn this arrow towards this side, then you need to fold from between, okay. So if this is the Z line, this line for Z, then they have done what they have done, they have distorted it and they have just turned it into a V, okay. They have turned the center line of the Z, this is the center line of the Z, they have turned the center line into a V, okay, and you will get a figure like this. So this is the V that they have done. So this one V, so this V they have done. When you get a figure like this, both the arrows will be aligned in the same direction, and once you get a figure like this, then rotate it by 90 degrees. Once you rotate it by 90 degrees, you will get the final option what they have given in the answer, and that is option number D. So definitely this is also correct. So we can definitely say that case 2, 3 and 4, that is option B, C and D, they have been folded once and rotated once, okay, whereas option 1, where that is case 1, has only been folded, so that is not the answer. So final answer is B, C and D. So this is the final answer of the question. So that's all for the question, guys. Thank you. If you understood the question, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and any questions you might comment in the comment section below and we'll answer the question, okay. Thank you guys, thank you everyone for watching the video.